Hello everyone, I'm Willem and I'm thrilled to welcome you to today's webinar. In this session, we'll explore how to improve your website conversion rates by using A/B testing and personalization. Whether you're looking to increase signups, reduce drop-offs, or boost sales, I will go through 8 strategies to optimize different parts of your website. Here is what we'll cover today. How to simplify registration forms to boost signups, personalizing homepage content for different user segments, using exit intent technology to re-engage users about to leave, reducing abandonment in your forms with timely pop-ups, engaging visitors through signups, retargeting users who left off without converting, keeping users engaged with push notifications, and increasing sales with checkout deals. By the end of this session, you'll have a set of strategies to apply to your own site. So let's jump right in. Let's start with a common issue: complex registration forms. Long multi-step forms can cause users to abandon the process before they even finish it. So let's try to simplify the registration form for Find a Job, a Belgian job agency that connects workers to businesses. Step 1. Start by reviewing the current form. We begin by analyzing the existing registration form. How many steps does it take to complete? Break it down step by step. Is it intuitive, or are users overwhelmed by too many fields? Look for patterns of drop-off. Where are people getting stuck or leaving? Step 2. Identify areas to merge or reduce. For instance, personal information like name or contact details could be grouped into a single section rather than separated into multiple steps. Instead of asking for job preferences early, let's move those questions to a later point in the process, perhaps after sign up, to reduce friction. Step 3. Simplify the user experience. Focus on the key information you need up front and make sure optional fields or secondary questions don't slow the user down. Pre-fill data where possible to make the experience faster, like autofilling a country or a city based on IP location. We want the user to complete the form quickly without feeling bogged down. Step 4. A/B test the simplified version. We'll create 2 versions, the original and the simplified version we've just developed. By splitting traffic between the two, we can measure the impact, such as time spent on a form and completion rates. Step 5. Analyze the results. After running the test for a set period, we'll compare the data. Does the simplified version lead to a higher completion rate? Is the process faster? We'll identify where each version excels and where further improvements might be necessary. Step 6. Implement the best version. Once we have the results, we can implement the winning form across the site. But remember, it doesn't end there. Keep testing and refining to further optimize the registration experience. Next, let's talk about personalizing your homepage for different visitors. Let's try this out on Career Squad, a recruitment agency that matches talent with the right companies. Personalizing the homepage can create a more engaging experience and lead to more conversions. Step 1. Review your current homepage. When someone lands on your site, are they seeing content that is relevant to them? A first-time visitor might need to learn more about your services, while a returning visitor is likely more interested in seeing job listings. Analyze the current structure to see if you're catering to different user needs. Step 2. Segment your visitors. For Career Squad, we can split visitors into 2 broad categories: new users and returning job seekers. New users might not be familiar with your offerings, so they should be shown introductory content. Returning visitors, on the other hand, are more interested in specific job listings and career opportunities. Step 3. Personalize content for each segment. For new visitors, we could showcase popular job categories or introduce Career Squad services. Returning visitors could see personalized job recommendations based on the roles they've previously viewed. This way, the homepage speaks directly to each visitor's needs. Step 4. A/B test personalized homepages. Let's run an A/B test to determine the effectiveness of our personalized homepage. Version A will be the original static homepage, while version B will display personalized content. Track metrics like time spent on the page, job click-through rates, and overall engagement. Step 5. Measure and compare results. Once the test is completed, analyze the data. Does the personalized version keep visitors on the site longer? Are they clicking on more job listings? Compare this against the original version to see if personalization drives more conversions. Step 6. Implement the best version. After evaluating the results, roll out the best performing homepage version across your site. Continue refining the personalization strategy as your user base grows, and consider segmenting further based on the behavior, industry, or location. Let's now look at how to capture visitors who are about to leave your site using exit intent technology. We'll try this feature on Axis, a recruitment agency specialized in finance, legal, and insurance sectors. The goal here is to re-engage visitors who are close to leaving without applying or learning more about your services. Step 1. Set up exit tracking. First, we'll set up tracking to detect when users are about to leave the website. This works by following their mouse movement. When the cursor moves towards closing the tab or the back button, a message appears just before they leave. Step 2. Design the exit message. Since Axis is a recruitment agency, we can use this opportunity to guide users towards relevant job opportunities or offer them useful resources. For job seekers, the message might say, "Wait, here are some new job opportunities in your field," or "Sign up for a job alert to stay informed on new roles." For potential business clients, we can offer them insights on success stories that demonstrates how Axis has helped companies find the right talent. Step 3. Tailor the message based on visitor type. To make this more effective, we can tailor the exit message based on the visitor's previous actions. For job seekers who have viewed multiple listings but haven't applied, the message could remind them of the jobs they viewed or encourage them to save the listing for later. For first-time visitors, we might ask them to sign up for job alerts or invite them to explore how Axis can help them find the right fit. Step 4 is running a B test for exit messages. Version A could be a simple message that asks users to sign up for job alerts, while version B might highlight specific job opportunities in their field of interest. We'll monitor which version gets better engagement. Step 5. Analyze the results. Once the test is run for a set period, we'll analyze the data. Did more users engage with the message that highlighted specific job listings, or was the general stay informed message more effective? We'll track metrics like click-through rates and conversions to decide which strategy is most successful. Step 6. Implement the best performing strategy. After determining which version performed better, we'll roll out that strategy across the site. This will help Axis retain more job seekers and business clients who might otherwise leave without exploring further. Let's reduce application abandonment by using pop-ups that re-engage users before they leave. Let's try this with Bagger Recruitment, a company that connects talent with various industries. When candidates start an application but don't finish, we can prompt them to continue with a well-timed pop-up. So here's how you do it. Step 1. Identify abandonment points. First, we need to figure out where users drop off during the application process. Is it after the initial information section? Are they leaving when asked for more detailed qualifications? Pinpoint these key moments so we can intervene at the right time. Step 2 is creating an abandonment pop-up. Let's design a pop-up that reminds users to finish their application. For visitors who are just browsing jobs, the pop-up might say, "Don't miss out, apply now." For those in the middle of an application, the message could be, encourage them to complete the process or offer help, such as, "Need assistance? Contact our recruiter to finalize your application." Step 3. Personalize the message. Let's take it further by personalizing the pop-up based on user actions. If someone has visited multiple job postings, remind them of the specific roles they viewed and encourage them to apply. For first-time visitors, offer a general reminder to sign up for job alerts if they're not ready to apply yet. Step 4. A/B test different pop-up approaches. We'll test 2 approaches. Version A could be a straightforward reminder to complete the application, while version B might offer a more engaging option like scheduling a call with a recruiter or saving the application for later. Track which version results in more completed applications. Step 5. Measure the results once the test is complete. Analyze which pop-up performed better. Did a simple reminder do the trick, or were users more likely to respond to a more personalized message? Measure the impact on completed applications and user engagement. Step 6. Implement the winning version. After reviewing the results, roll out the pop-up that generated the most conversions. Continue to refine the approach to reduce application abandonment even further. Let's keep engaging visitors who aren't ready to apply yet by offering them job alerts. Let's try this feature out for House of Talents, which specializes in connecting professionals with jobs. Job alert pop-ups can keep users engaged even after they leave the website. Step 1. Choose the right moment to ask for signups. The best time to ask for job alert signups is when users have shown some interest in browsing job listings. After a visitor has viewed multiple job postings, prompt them with a pop-up offering job alerts so they can stay updated on relevant relevant openings. Step 2 is designing a non-disturbing pop-up that invites users to sign up for job alerts. The message could say, "Stay informed, sign up for job alerts and never miss a new opportunity." Make the form simple. Just an email address or phone number should be enough. Step 3. Personalize the alert options. Let's make it more relevant by offering personalized alert options. If someone has been browsing nursing jobs, the pop-up could ask if they'd like to receive alerts for similar roles. For new visitors, offer more general alerts for healthcare positions. Step 4. A/B test different approaches. To see which approach works best, let's test two versions. Version A could be a basic sign up for a job alert message, while version B allows users to select specific job categories like nursing or caregiver positions. We'll track which version gets more signups. Monitor the sign-up rates. Track how many users sign up for alerts after seeing the pop-up. Are they returning to the site after receiving job alerts? Keep an eye on conversion rates from alerts to actual job applications. Step 6. Implement the best version. Once we have the results, implement the best performing sign-up strategy across the site. This will help you keep users engaged, even if they're not ready to apply on their first visit. Let's focus on bringing back visitors who showed interest in our offerings but left without converting. This is where retargeting comes into play. Let's try this strategy on Transgroom, a European supplier of professional grooming products for pets, who used the retargeting to reach visitors who viewed products but didn't make a purchase. Step 1. Identify target visitors. The first step is to track visitors who have interacted with our site but left without completing a purchase. This could include users who browse specific products, added items to their cart, or visited key product pages. You need to tag these users so they can retarget them later with tailored ads. Step 2. Design retargeting ads. Once you've identified these users, design personalized ads that remind them of the products they were interested in. For example, if someone viewed specific grooming products, the retargeting ads can feature those exact items. These ads should appear across platforms like Google or social media, making sure your brand stays top of mind. Step 3. Add engaging call to actions. To encourage users to return, make sure your retargeting ads have a clear and compelling call to action. This could be shop now or check out the latest deals on the products you viewed. These messages should create a sense of urgency while reminding users of what they've missed out on. Step 4. Run A/B tests to determine what kind of retargeting ads work best. Version A might be a simple product reminder with a shop now button, while version B could include additional details like customer reviews or ratings of the product. Monitor which version gets more clicks and conversions. Step 5. Analyze the results. After the ads have been running for a set time, review the data. Did users respond better to a simple reminder or a more detailed ad? Track metrics such as click-through rates, returning visitors, and conversions to see which type of ad brought back more customers. Step 6. Implement the best performing ads. Once you have the data, you can implement the winning retargeting ad strategy across your campaigns. Continue refining your retargeting efforts by testing new ad creatives, adjusting timing, and tracking performance over time. If you want to push your audience to do something, push notifications are an excellent way to keep your audience engaged even after they've left your website. Let's try the strategy on Novodo, which offers a wide range of new and used cars. We'll use push notifications to alert visitors about vehicles that match their preferences. Step 1. Set up user tracking. Firstly, you need to track user behavior on your website, specifically what types of vehicles visitors are searching for. Are they browsing specific models? Once you have this data, you can use it to send targeted notifications. Encourage visitors to enable push notifications by offering them updates on new car arrivals that match their interests. Step 2. Personalize the notifications. Let's make sure the push notifications are personalized for each user. For someone who has been browsing SUVs, we can send a notification when a new SUV model is listed on the site. For general browsers, a notification about popular or trending cars might work best. Step 3. Design the notifications. The notifications should be short, direct, and enticing. For example, a new SUV that matches your search is now available. Check it out. Make sure the message includes a link that takes users directly to the relevant product page. It's important that the notification provides value to the user and isn't just a generic message. Step 4. Test different notification strategies. Let's A/B test two approaches. Version A could be a basic update that informs users of new listings, while version B adds urgency by saying limited stock, act fast before it's gone. Track which version drives more clicks and re-engagement. Step 5. Analyze user engagement. Once the test has been running for a while, review the data. Are users more likely to click on notifications that create urgency, or do simple updates work just as well? Measure the effectiveness of each notification strategy based on user re-engagement and conversion rates. Step 6. Implement the most effective strategy. After determining which notification style works best, roll it out across your push notification campaigns. Keep experimenting with different messages, designs, and timing to ensure your audience stays engaged over time. Finally, let's talk about how to increase sales by offering deals at checkout. We'll try this out with Twice as Nice, a jewelry retailer that offers affordable, stylish pieces. By presenting last-minute deals at checkout, we can encourage users to complete their purchase and even add more items to their cart. Step 1. Identify opportunities for checkout deals. The first step is to identify moments during the checkout process when users might hesitate. If they've added items to their cart but haven't completed the purchase, this is a perfect opportunity to offer an incentive that nudges them towards completing the transaction. You can monitor cart value and user behavior to detect hesitation. Step 2. Offer tailored deals. Now let's design tailored deals that are relevant to what the user is purchasing. For example, if someone is buying a necklace, you could offer a discount on a matching bracelet or earrings. If their cart total is just below free shipping threshold, you could suggest adding another item to qualify for free shipping. Step 3. Make the deals time sensitive. To encourage users to act quickly, add a sense of urgency. You can say something like, add this matching bracelet to your order and get 20% off. Offer ends soon. Or you're only $10 away from free shipping. Time-sensitive offers often push users to finalize their purchase before they leave the website. Step 4. A/B test checkout deal strategies. Let's test two approaches. Version A could be a simple free shipping offer for orders over a certain amount, while version B could feature personalized product recommendations with a discount of purchasing together. Track which deal generates more conversions and higher average order values. Step 5. Analyze conversion rates. After the test, review the results. Did users respond better to the free shipping offer or to the personalized product recommendations? Track metrics like completed transactions, average order value, and overall conversion rates to see which strategy led to more sales. Step 6. Implement the best performing deal strategy. Once you've identified the most successful strategy, roll it out across the entire checkout process. Keep testing and refining the deals over time to ensure maximum conversion and higher average order value. And that wraps up our session today. We've covered 8 powerful strategies, from simplifying registration forms to boosting sales with checkout deals. Each of these tactics can make a real difference in improving your site's conversions and overall user engagement. If you're ready to start implementing these strategies yourself, I highly recommend giving TechLayer a try. It's a great tool for A/B testing, personalizing user experiences, and optimizing your website for better performance. You can try TechLayer for free or book a call with Bart to help you get started. Thank you for joining us today, and I hope these strategies inspire you to take your website conversion to the next level. Bye!